Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Python and a package manager. This ensures Jupyter can run. Open command prompt and run Python version so you know which interpreter is active. If you prefer an easy bundle, install Anaconda. Otherwise, pip install Jupyter. Once done, create a dedicated folder for notebooks. Using a single folder keeps files organized and kernels predictable. Make sure to note the folder path. You will launch Jupyter from there to avoid confusion. Now you navigate into the working folder and start the Jupyter server so files map correctly to the browser. In command prompt run cd to the folder, then Jupyter Notebook. This opens a browser tab at localhost 8888, which is the server endpoint. Create a new Python 3 notebook and note the kernel indicator in the top right. Green means ready. Execute cells with Shift plus Enter, and save often so checkpoints protect your progress. If you use virtualenv, activate it before launching. To finish, save your work and close notebooks properly so kernels stop and resources free up. Use file then close and halt for each notebook, and stop the Jupyter server in the command prompt with Ctrl plus C, confirm with Y. Export results via file, then download as to share or archive. If the browser fails to open, copy the server URL including the token from the command prompt into a browser, and make sure Windows Firewall isn't blocking port 8888 as a common fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.